Hello, in today's video we will discuss about how to generate FFT curve or time versus acceleration converted into frequency versus acceleration diagram. So it is known as FFT curve. Please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please follow my Instagram account. It is linked in below. If you have any doubt, please message me on Instagram. I will answer that your question or any query your doubt. So we will start with this diagram. Here you can see that this is time versus acceleration diagram. It is if you know that in vibration we have used to like this one. This is our time domain, and if you t is equal to 1 upon frequency means f, so f is equal to 1 by t. Same way, this diagram is known as this is amplitude, and we will convert this time versus acceleration diagram in frequency versus acceleration diagram. So first we need number of time is number of second we have to run. So t is equal to 1 second. We will run for this t is equal to 1 second, and number of sample in this 1 second is around 400 numbers. So if we start with 0, means in Python we will start with np.linspace. In FFT only 3-line code is available. Please watch full video for more details. np.linspace will start with 0 and with 1 second, and number of division is around 400. So it will generate with 0, 0.1 or 0.01, start with 0.02 up to 1 second. And if we know that for every substep t is equal to 1 upon n or 1 upon f, 1 upon f is equal to 1 by 400, it is t. So our first is n is equal to 400 number and t is equal to 1 by 400, and our x is this one, and y is equal to our function. So what is our function? I will write our function is y is equal to 3 multiplied by sine 2 pi x plus 100 multiplied by sine 50 pi into x. The x value is np.linspace 0 to 1 second, and number of division is around 400. So now we will plot this into Python. First I will generate this code into Python. So I will import numpy as np, then I will generate my FFT curve. Import matplotlib library .pyplot as plt. Now n is equal to 400 number of data, and t is equal to 1 by 400, and my x is equal to np.linspace start with 0 and with n multiplied by t, it will 1 second, and number of division is n. My y value is 3 multiplied by np dot sine 2 multiplied by np dot pi multiplied by x plus 100 multiplied by np dot sine 50 multiplied by np dot pi multiplied by x. It is my function of this vibration equation or any equation. If I plot plt dot plot x comma y, if I run this code, I got this time versus acceleration curve. Now we'll convert this data into again FFT curve. So I'll just remove it, and I'll just say now it is coding for FFT curve. So first I will convert fyf into fast Fourier transformation. So first I have to import scipy dot fft as sp and yf is equal to sp dot fft, and I will say y, this is my signal. This signal converted into this complex number. If I plot this, print yf, here you can see that this is complex number minus 3, this is I, this is normal value, and this is for imaginary number. So I have to just need this normal value. So this, in this it is minus, so I will say abs, and it will only get this real number. And xf is equal to, same way I will generate my frequency. So my frequency is equal to sp dot fft frequency, and from n, number of division is n, and t time step is equal to 1 by 400. And if I plt dot plot, this is converted into frequency versus this acceleration graph, means FFT curve. I'll simply just plot it, xf into yf, comma yf. If I run this code, here you can see that I got the FFT curve. Here you can see that in this data you can't imagine what is the maximum acceleration value at which frequency, but in FFT curve you simply realize that at 25 frequency my acceleration value is highest, so it is my first mode of natural frequency. So by this value, means this equation, you can simply plot your FFT curve. And now we generate some more in this graph. So I will say plt dot grid, it will grid on, and I will set my x and y limit. So plt dot x limit, and I will say 0 to 5. Here you can see that at 1 Hertz I got some frequency. After this I will say 26, and around 25 Hertz I got second frequency. So by this way you can find out the frequency and number of plot in Python. It is only 2-line code and it is very easy. If you have your data, it is simply x and y value will be changed, but this code yf and xf is same. So by this way you can generate your from data into FFT curve. Please share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, again I will say that follow my Instagram account, just message me, in that I will answer you. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.